All right, so today I have the YRU car phone mount series. Hold tightly, drive safely, live easily. Hello the world, it's YRU on the top. YRU car phone mount helps too. All three of those things that were just mentioned on the front. Hold tightly, drive safely, live easily. The back gives you a little diagram of exactly how you'd use it. I'll of course show you that here in this video. YRU stands for Your Relaxing Utensil, and it's a new star of car phone mounts on Amazon. So, hello the world. Got a little pull tab, nice. Open this one on up. Ooh, I like the blue, very nice. Now this one has a button on the back to release. Ooh, that feels good and strong. I like that. And then your phone, of course, can sit right in there, and then you can close it in. And then when you're done, you just press your button to let your phone out. What else we got? Cardboard. All right, we got a few things in here. That's it for the box. So some wipes, and a full instruction manual. Nice. Now this has the main part here, where as you can see, you can loosen this to adjust this however you need fit, and then retighten it. And then you can also loosen this part, pull this out if you need a little more extension, and then retighten it. This here is very sticky on the bottom. You can see how it left my fingerprint like instantly. And so you would stick this to wherever you want and then compress this down to make that suction on the table. It won't work because of this being in the way. Now, to mount this onto your mount, unscrew this here, take this and slide onto here, and then you just force the ball into there and then tighten this bolt. And then you're all set. You set this up in your car and there you go. It's holding your phone without any issues or complaints. It shouldn't fall with the suction and with the stickiness of this. It should not come off of your dash or anything. And then you just press your button to release and you grab and go. This one does come with a little cable, double-sided sticky thing here where you can run your cable through. That's pretty cool. And then it also has the typical vent mount where you could take this off, put it on here, and then you just tighten this onto your vents to use the mount on your vents. That's your choice, of course. I would recommend this way right here. And luckily, with the way this is designed, you see how wide it goes. Any phone would fit. Close it in, and then you're done for the day. Press your button, grab your phone, and you're good to go.